Hello everyone, my name is Hamed Gholam Rezai from Guri Architecture Academy. Today I'm gonna show you some easy ways to move around faster in a SketchUp viewport. For instance, this project is too heavy and it's keep lagging, which makes it hard to orbit around the viewport. Select models by dragging or to run any commands. To solve this issue, I'm gonna show you some tricks. One, go to Window, Preferences, OpenGL and change the multi-sample analyzing to 0. Wait a few seconds for the SketchUp to do the calculations. When finished, you have more optimized and faster viewport. Now number 2, go to the View tab, select Face Style and choose Monochrome mode. As you can see, in monochrome mode, all the textures are hidden. But trust me, if you go back to Face Style and Shaded with Texture mode, you can see they are still there. It just makes the viewport much faster. Now number 3, go to the View tab and select Edge Styles and untick the profiles. As you can see, we have more optimized and faster viewport. And finally number 4, go to the View tab, select Edge Style and untick edges. When you turn the edges off, we have the fastest viewport. Good luck, and if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to push like, comment and subscribe, and hope to see you again. Good luck.